Morning everyone, thanks for tuning in. We're here with our weekly market update. I've got Maddie and Jordan here with me today. How are you guys?
Good, yourself?
Good, thank you. Hope everybody's not freezing too much out there after an exciting dump of snow down to reasonably low levels yesterday. We had lots and lots of pictures floating around and lots of cars stopped on the side of the highway enjoying the snow yesterday afternoon when I went through. So it seems like it's first real taste of winter for the year. So yeah. And yes, we've had a bit happening this week. We had some training from owners of Harcourts International who were in our office last week on Wednesday, which was a really great day with the team. So we all got quite a bit out of that. But yeah, how's the market been as far as property management market this week, Maddie?
Good, yeah. Still have really consistent interest in most of our open homes.
Yeah.
Ranelagh properties are just taking over the market at the moment. Everybody wants a Ranelagh property.
Do they?
So we have 5 properties on the market at the moment.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
All have fairly good interest, and looking at 2 fully furnished units coming up in Surgeons Bay through the end of this week. So that should generate a bit of interest.
Oh, well, here we go. First time in a long time we've had 2 weeks in a row where we can say we've got properties available.
Yes,
and, more than 1 or 2, which is nice. So hopefully that means some of the tenants that have been kind of waiting and looking have a much higher chance of getting a property available at the moment. So yeah, get those applications in. And
it's been very busy.
So, cool. All right. How about sales market, Jordan? What's been happening this week?
Obviously we had quite a few people through our open homes over the weekend. We had roughly around 20 groups through Signet Coast Road, which was quite popular to a lot of people. And obviously, I mean, you've listed half of Wilmot Road, so we've had a fair bit of people through those houses as well. So quite a lot of activity over the weekend. So considering it was a very cold one at that, so which is good.
Yeah, okay. We've had a bit of land available. Got any more land coming up or anything left available? Or
so obviously most of the land that's just almost gone now in Signet in Ridden Drive. I think there's 2 left now, so better get moving on that one pretty quick. And then we've got some really exciting bush blocks coming out the back of Lonavale. Hopefully they'll be on quite soon. They're most likely probably a week away at this stage, just until we get a few things ready. But
some really big ones out there.
Really big ones, So there's quite a few hundred acres in separate titles with river frontage and quite a lot of ground to cover as far as pasture and bush and excellent 4 drive tracks out there to have a bit of fun as well. So a fair bit coming up.
Yeah, okay. Cool. All right. So yes, a reasonable amount of action still. Still a really, really strong market. So we're still seeing multiple offers on the things. I think we've had a couple more this week where we presented really strong multiple offers on properties and getting really, really high results as well. So that side of it's probably not changed at all. Still, that there's a fair bit of talk around when's it changing and what's happening in the market, but from what we're finding at the moment, it's still not changing at all, and there's plenty of people looking and certainly responding to the right properties. Still that price ceiling though. I think if you put something on too high, we're not getting much response. We put something on that's fair, and it is getting a really strong response. So buyers are definitely not prepared to pay crazy prices for things that are overpriced. So it's certainly quite an educated market, I suppose, where a lot of people are looking at where things are at, and it's probably the competition that's creating the prices more than the pricing that's creating the prices, I think, in that respect. So cool. All right, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and hope you either got to play in the snow or enjoy looking at it over the next couple of days before it disappears again for a little bit longer. I think today's the last cold day, and then it's back up to a warm 13 degrees for a couple more days after that. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week on the update.